Okay.
Oh my god.
Time.
Listen, here's what we're gonna do. Campfires.
Do you guys have
and
water?
Make foods.
Yeah, I need
Eating
water.
berry.
That
I
base
need
we
water
made
too.
is not gonna suffice, I think. That's pretty. We should
Bro.
make something else.
Okay, okay. Poke, I
don't
think,
mean to be
think
that guy.
we can make it
Not
custom.
gonna lie,
We can't-
bro.
We can't all live in that little hut.
Look at that base, man. All they have to do is break the thing on the bottom, man.
Then, base so they don't.
Yeah, but I made a bottom support system. Like a tripod.
This base is. I mean, this is guys. I mean, look at this. Oh my god. I mean, look.
What?
Yeah, look at it. Is this where we're
Just zoom back and look at this thing, man.
No!
So bad.
Why is our guy on fire?
He's
Why
on
is our guy on
fire!
fire?
It's not for me.
And dude, like, what is this?
Bro.
You guys made tree shelter 1, right? That looks like ass. Tree shelter 2 looks
We don't.
nice.
We don't have anything else.
Tree shelter 2 has a door. We could have made that.
Oh!
What was that?
It's coming! Heck!
Our,
Hey, I'm reading a book. I'm reading a book.
our guy's dead.
Why you hit door lick? Oh man.
He brought friends.
Small log.
Get out of here!
Why is there only
Make a
4
big
options for
cabin.
caverns though? Bro, let's just break it down. I'm breaking it down. I'm gonna.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Fine.
You can't salvage it?
Wait, how do we make a bigger
Yeah,
shelter?
look at it.
Why don't we just make a rock wall or a wall first around everything?
Let's go.
We're back to square one.